Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, the question we'll be answering today on this episode is it permissible to insult time? As we've seen, this particular year, 2020, has come with a lot of trials and tribulations, and then we see it as a result of that, people saying things like, 2020 is such a bad year, 2020 is evil, I can't wait to, go to another year, and so on and so forth, insulting the time. So the question is it permissible to insult time in Islam? Um, Time, insulting time in Islam is categorized into three. The first one is when you insult time, but you do not attribute the action to time. For example, when you say we become very tired because of the heat of the sun, we become, unable to go out because of the rain and so on and so forth. This is insulting. This you are just stating the consequence of what has happened as a result of during that time, but you are not actually giving attributing the action to the time itself. So this is permissible. The second type is when you insult time and you attribute the action to the time itself. For example, when you say, 2020 is such an evil year, it was because of 2020 that this happened and that. Now, this is completely hard because you are trying to say that it is that time that caused such actions to happen, which is not the case. And insulting time is actually, in a way, insulting Allah indirectly. And this is why this is completely haram. In fact, this is shirk. The ulama say this is even shirk, for you to say that time has, it is 2020 has done this, this time has done that. You don't insult time. But insulting time is insulting Allah, and it's completely haram. This second category is when you attribute the effect to time, the effect of a particular event, you attribute it to a particular time. This is haram. So the third category is when you insult time, but you believe that it is Allah that cause the events to happen. This is also not permissible, but it's actually lesser than the second category. For example, when you say 2020 is evil and all, but deep down in your heart you believe that it is not 2020 that is causing these things to happen. It is actually Allah that is making the happenings or the events to actually happen. This is not permissible. The reason being that it negates sabr. As Muslims, we are supposed to be patient whenever we are afflicted with calamities. So we are not supposed to say anything from our mouth, especially when you already know that this is, from Allah. Good or bad, you are not supposed to complain and say negative things with your mouth. You are supposed to be patient and hope for the reward with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this is why this category is also not permissible.